It's 10 after 6 in the morning on June 28th. Here I'm on the top of the spine coming up to Flatiron. Nice early morning, still hot. Abbotsford's supposed to get a high of 44 today. There's the Flatiron. This view unobstructed here. There's the Flatiron. And I think I might go up Needle first, because I've never been up this early in the morning. We'll see how the snow is up there. So I just came up the first ascent. Now we're on the ridge line of the Needle. Probably 1900 meters here and around there. Thanks to the exposure to the sun, it's melted rather early. Already got blossoming white heather and pink heather as well. It's just the sun's right in my face, and I forgot my sunglasses. Oh well. Still got my Tilly hat. I don't know how good the video is going to come out from the sun being right in the way, but if you look back, it looks nice. Once I get into the shadow of the peak here, you'll be able to see more. Oh, little tarn up here. Last time I came up here, this was all dry. Didn't know it pooled in here. Well, that would make a nice picture if it wasn't so backlit. Made it up the first rope all right. Worst part is yet to come. Just see how far I can get here holding the camera before I need my hands free. All right, we're coming up to final ascent. he's under the rock somewhere in the cave. I wonder if that's a nest. I don't know. I don't know how they breed. How am I going to do this? Is it the right side or the left side? I think I'm going to go right. I'm going to have to cut the video off pretty quick here, because I'm going to need both hands, and I don't have a chest or a head mount. There's a bit of a drop off here. See, that's what I've come up. It's all in shade though, you can't see it so well. And gotta go up that. So I'm gonna cut out the video here. Oh, I took the wrong route. I went up the left side when I was supposed to go up the right, so I had to end up wedging myself in a V between two rocks to get through. But I'm up now. Sun's right in my face. This is the final ascent of the dome. And I can feel the elevation a bit. Here we are, top of the Needle. Go back down. You know what's weird? I wonder how long ago this inconspicuous piece of rock formed. That little piece. That's the peak of the mountain. I wonder how long it took to get up here. Elevation I think up here is 2090. And there's a substantial drop off here. A few thousand feet at least. 1,000 meters, easy. There's Markhor. Here's the shoulder of the Needle. There's that big, you can't see it, it's in shade. There's the big rock slide. There's a 300 meter screed slope on that mountain. I had bushwhacked into it last year. Not sure what mountain that is. Oh, I can see Baker. Baker should be right about dead center. Last time I came here was 100 km/h winds. It's just nicely breezy right now. Alright, well I'm going to take a time lapse.